Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new 2023 Honda ADV160 adventure scooter is going to launch, and it is official now. So make sure to watch the full video. The Wing Camp Honda company has recently introduced the new adventure scooter model ADV160 2023, which is a motorcycle model. In Malaysia, the appearance of the scooter, its exterior, and the specifications of the scooter are the same as those of the Thai version of the scooter. However, there will be details about the color and graphic pattern of the scooter that will be different from that of the Thai version. It will be available in yellow, black, gray tones for the Honda ADV160 2023 that was launched recently, as well as unique graphics including the word ADV on the side of the large scooter. The scooter also had a unique design. It will have a style that will be different from what you're used to, while its power comes from a 157cc one-cylinder 4-valve ESP Plus engine, cooled by a water cooler, adding to its uniqueness. In addition to its maximum power output of 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 revolution per minute, and a maximum torque output of 14.7 Newton meters at 6,500 revolution per minute, the vehicle has 14-inch wheels on the front and 13-inch wheels on the rear. Regarding the layout of this scooter, it will be equipped with a LED lighting system throughout the vehicle, a handlebar, and a windshield that will be adjustable at 2 levels that can be lowered or raised. Additionally, it comes equipped with a double sub-tank rear suspension with Honda selectable torque control anti-traction control, as well as a smart key fob, USB charging port, and an emergency brake light system to alert the driver during an emergency. The 2023 ADV160 ABS is available in 3 colors: Tough Matte Black, Tough Matte Red, and Tough Matte White. There are also 3 colors available for the 2023 ADV160 CBS: Dynamic Black, Dynamic Red, and Dynamic White. With a displacement of 156.9 cm3 and a maximum output of 15.82 horsepower. It is a single-cylinder engine with a maximum top speed that can reach 125 km per hour. Unofficial 2023 Honda ADV160 adventure scooter price. It is also worth noting that Malaysia also offers a red-white option in addition to yellow, black, gray. There will be a recommended price starting at 99,900 Thai baht, roughly $3,022 for the model of the scooter in our house that will be sold at a recommended price. In Indonesia, ADV160 is sold about $2,613 for ABS version and $2,397 for CBS version. What do you think about the new Honda ADV160 adventure scooter? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.